And we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in at this point in time. Bulldozers roll on the streets of Uttar Pradesh. A massive demolition drive in Lucknow. Dozers raise over 1,169 illegal houses is what we've been given to understand. These are pictures coming in where dozers raise over 1,169 illegal houses. Over 101 commercial buildings have been demolished. Encroachment on the Kukrel River has been raised. Yogi government making this area a hub of eco-tourism. Illegal buildings in Lucknow are getting razed. Over 100 commercial buildings have been demolished. Stunning pictures coming in on your screens right now of the illegal buildings being demolished in the state of Uttar Pradesh. This from the capital city of Lucknow. Samar Srivastav is getting us more details on that big story right now as we stay with those pictures on your screens right now. Samar, what buildings were these? Take us through the details. What exactly is the plan of action of the Uttar Pradesh Sarkar?
It's an action by the Lucknow Development Authority where we are getting that a total of 1169 illegal made houses have been raised, while 101 commercial buildings have been raised by the Lucknow Development Authority as a part of government's effort to reclaim the Kukrel riverbed, clearing all these encroachments that were there for years. So as many 171 structures were demolished on Tuesday at Akbar Nagar 1. That's what the release of LDA read. While the demolition drive that started a week ago after the elections, because it was also on before the elections, but after the Model Code of Conduct was removed and the procedure began by LMC and LDA, the demolition drive started a week ago with the first phase starting at Akbar Nagar 2. So as many as 42 earth movers were working in the two shifts to clear the encroachments. Also, according to the LDA, as many as 1898 families have been given Prime Minister's houses, and an allotment letter has been given to all the people. Like most of them have got the PM Awas Yojana house because they obviously have become homeless after the houses have been raised. So according to the senior officials as well, the entire eviction drive will be completed and within a day maybe. Then the demolition is a part. Also, it's worth mentioning here that the demolition is a part of the government's effort to reclaim and restore the Kukrel River and its riverbed. Along with the restoration of the river, the bank of the river will be developed on the lines of the Sabarmati riverfront that we see in Gujarat. Back to you.
Thanking you for the moment, Samar, getting us those details even as we stay with those pictures of a massive demolition drive in the state of UP. This from the capital city of Lucknow.